So guys, we are at Mandrem right now, and this is the entire stretch of Mandrem, and this is the way that goes down to Mandrem Beach, which I'm heading down there, guys. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and I'll show you all what's happening in Mandrem right now. What's the crowd, what's the scene like, what's the vibes like, guys. So stay tuned till the end of the video. So guys, the best landmark is this garden. This is the Mandrem garden. It used to be functional earlier, but now it is actually closed. So this is the actual way of coming down and heading towards Mandrem Beach that I am actually heading right down. And let's see what has changed. I'm coming to this place after such a long time. Yeah, I mean, everything else is the same except for these new bars and all the steps and all. I like reading down to Mandrem. It is what, 3:30 right now? 4. It's 4 in the evening. So let's see what the scenes are at Mandrem Beach, guys. Alright, so stay tuned till the very end of the video. Do like and subscribe, guys, to my channel. So guys, this is a small bridge that leads to the Mandrem Beach, and it looks very geometric like, but yeah, this is very small pond type stuff that you got to cross. But yeah, just heading to the beach right now, and you can see there are tourists and all that. So yeah, just heading down to the beach, and we'll walk that whole stretch just to see what's around. So do stick around, guys, till the end of the video. So this is all around Mandrem Beach right now. So Mandrem is also a very peaceful beach. Let's see what the vibes are here like. There are a few shacks and all that are all getting set up, and probably this is literally lit in the evening. And I'll actually walk right till that end, and I'll actually walk right till that end as well, guys. So stay tuned. This is a very peaceful beach, no? Yeah, I'll come back. Alright, okay. Cheers, alright, take care. Alright, yeah.
From Russia, where are you, my friend?
You're from Russia?
Yes.
You're from Russia?
No, like Tibetan.
Yeah.
Russian.
Oh, nice. Okay. Cheers, man. Nice. Okay. So guys, welcome to another video. I am right now in Mandrem, and this is a very small stretch. I know that side, the entire thing in that area and all, जहाँ पे वो पूरा stretch दिखाई दे रहा है आपको, that all heads towards Ashwam, More Gym and everything. And this is a small strip which is in Mandrem. I'm gonna show you what the vibes are like in Mandrem, what shacks, beach beds and everything. I mean, you can see there's a lot of foreigners actually. So I'm just going to take a small tour just to show you what's happening, guys. So stick around till the end of the video. And as you can see, there are lovely beach beds all across the place, and it's a different vibe here. It's more peaceful, and it's more relaxed. You know, you can just come down here, have a nice tan and everything. And say for example, if you're at the shacks, okay, you can also rent these beach beds. I think they are all free if you buy some stuff. But that's the cool thing about Goa and Mandrem. So yeah, I mean, you see, there are, I mean, the reason why it is peaceful because there are tourists, or you know, there are just some good tourists, guys, and there's a lot more that is happening at the beach. Okay, but I'm just showing you what is happening in right here. Hey buddy. Okay, so if you can see, everyone's having a good time here. Everyone's actually chilling out, and again, these places are all lit by the evening. I mean, I want to come down again and shoot a video in the evening with all the lights and how it looks and everything. But yeah, this is pretty much Mandrem, yeah, and I'm very happy how it looks. It's not overcrowded and everything. People are all heading for a swim. I'm definitely going to go that side to show, you know, all the vibes in the ocean. So do stick around, guys. And yeah, but that's pretty much it. Again, this is Lama's place. It's very famous here. There's just a few shacks, but good shacks, guys, in and around Mandrem. Again, people want to just chill, have a good time and all. So you can see a lot of people actually sitting. Hey guys. So yeah, this is one of the places that you should actually visit, Lamas. But yeah, so that's about it, and it's a good stretch, guys. I mean, you can see people just relaxing. I love the vibes, guys. Guys, do hit like and subscribe. If you have come to Mandrem, do comment below. If you do like my video, do give me a like. And if you like my videos, guys, do subscribe to my channel. So yeah, and stick around till the very end, guys. It's all good vibes here. And this is the guy. Okay, he's invited me to a shack, so probably I'll go later on and sip on some beers and have a good time too. But yeah, again, I just want to show you what's in and around. Again, everyone is heading down to the beach. I will also head down to the beach soon. So this is where I actually came down from. This is the main entrance. You can come straight down to the beach, and yeah. So keep walking, less talking. All right. So yeah, so that is pretty much it. These are a few shacks and beach beds around this corner. Let's see what's happening there, guys. And then also we'll head down the beach side to see what's going on. If you can see, people are actually playing volleyball and all that. That's pretty good. So let's head down there, and then I'm gonna head down towards the beach to see what's the action there like. Alright, so stick around. So because you can see people are just going in for a swim. I love Goa, yaar. Matlab, Goa is my place, my home. Guys, if you all love Goa and you all think you know, Goa is your second home, wow, nothing like it. And the sun is shining nice and bright in the sky. It's probably around, I think, 5 in the evening, but it's pretty good. Can you see all the people are having such a crazy time? It's all crazy stuff happening, man. Okay, coming to the peaceful side of the beach. So yeah, it's a pretty long stretch, and if you can see my finger right there, that is Arambol. This whole thing joins, and right there, that side, that's ashram and Mandrem and all, which if you have subscribed to my channel, you'll see it coming up every week. So that's gonna be there in my videos, so stick around, guys. And the lifeguards are doing their job. That is really good, guys. So yeah, I mean, this is pretty much the stretch. This is another shack. If you see, that area is quite empty, because after that is where Arambol starts. So I'm going to take my turn here and heading this way and then heading out, guys. So stick around till very end of the video, and you'll see more videos coming up soon. Alright guys, show your love and support. So guys, if you take a look, these are some shacks around the area, and again Mandrem, just showing a little bit of it. So yeah, pretty peaceful, right? Okay, so yeah, this is Cafe Food Planet. Hey guys, having a good time? Alright, so yeah, so this is pretty much it. I think a very chilled out place that I want to visit. I'm heading down for a beer there as well. So yeah, guys, if you're still in India and traveling to Goa and you're actually watching my video, guys, you all should come down. I mean, Goa's lit up right until I think April, okay, where you'll see all this crowd that I'm showing you right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So stick around, guys, and I'll see you until next time.